Okay, so we're gonna do some 4th of July tacos. Here's my meat. This is flap steak meat from Costco that it's all chopped up into cubes. There's some steak seasoning, that one right there, some paprika, garlic, and garlic powder, and some cumin. And then this is gonna be for toppings on the taco. And then this is gonna be the taco station. So got some masa. Gonna smash them into this bad boy right there. As you can see, I've been using this, and then do it up over here for some taco action. Right.